Hello and welcome to Open House 2020. My name is Jill Dillon and I will be your child's pre-calculus teacher this year. First, let me tell you a little bit about myself. This is my 14th year teaching here at Glenbard North. I'm a Glenbard East grad, so District 87 has been a part of my life for over 20 years. I have a bachelor's degree from Illinois State University and I obtained my master's degree from Lewis University in, believe it or not, instructional technology. Mind you, this was in 2010, so tech was nothing like it is now, but because of it, tech is one of my strong points. Now let's move on to some class expectations. First off, students should be attending our live Zoom lessons on their assigned days and be on time to class. All school rules apply during our Zoom meeting. This means students should be acting and speaking appropriately. Some days I'll be live teaching lessons, followed by an assignment, then maybe live teaching again, followed by an assignment. On other days, it might be a better idea to do screencasts, so students need to check Schoology Daily for screencasts, assignments, and answer keys. If a student is absent, they should check Schoology for all screencasts and assignments. I will always have a screencast available for a lesson, just in case a student is absent. Finally, students must be willing to work hard and persevere if faced with setbacks. Here's a look into our Schoology page. When students log into Schoology for our class, the first thing that they're going to see is the link to get into our Zoom meeting. Below that is my office hours Zoom link. I'm available every Tuesday from 12:30 to 1:30. This is a guaranteed time that I'll be in that link, but if students need to meet me at a different time, all they have to do is let me know and I can make myself available. Other things that are in our Schoology folder are our folders itself. Notice the Unit 1A materials at the bottom. Here's a look inside that folder. Folders are then split by subfolders for weeks, and then each assignment and lesson along with the screencast can be found in that folder. This is a good quick reference to what your student's day would look like, or week I should say would look like in a pre-calculus class. Precalculus is made up of sophomores, juniors, and seniors, with the majority of students being juniors. The next course after Precalculus is AP Calculus AB for current sophomores and juniors. This is usually the class that students take. Students can also take AP Stats or Probability and Statistics first semester, Advanced Math Application second semester. My goal is to prepare students with a solid foundation so that they're prepared for and successful in calculus. A couple things that are different from Algebra 2 with trig and Precalculus. Precalculus is faster paced and more challenging than Algebra 2. We work with a lot more applications, and one thing that students really have to get used to is that there are no retakes in Precalculus. Our grading policy is specific to remote learning. Our term grade is made up of 75% from assessments and 25% from homework work habits. This is putting a stronger emphasis on homework and work habits for the students, but it's a really good way to get their grade strong. Our semester grade is going to be made up of the term grade plus 15% for our final exam. If you need to contact me, you can always email me at jill_dellon@glenbard.org. If you'd like to speak with me, you can use my Glenbard line 630-681-3129. Or if you need to get a direct contact with me, I have a Google Voice number, which is 630-691-0437. Once again, my office hours are Tuesday from 12:30 to 1:30, and I can be messaged to meet outside of those hours. I really look forward to working with your child this year, and I hope to make them very excited to be in our math class.